So over here you can see that I got a bunch of capsicums right here. And now let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to use something called the paint bucket tool over here. So I am in my expert mode, and let's just go around, choose a color like blue itself right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here. So what happens is that it fills up the entire thing right here. That is because the tolerance level is at 255, meaning that it does not account for most of the contrast. Let me just press Ctrl Z and decrease out the tolerance level right here, just like this, up till 63. Click on it, and you can see that it fills up that area. But I still want it to fill up more area right here. So let me just press Ctrl Z and increase out the tolerance so that it covers up more area. Let me just press Ctrl Z again, increase this out until you got the tolerance level that you want. Let me just go press Ctrl Z and click around over here as well. So maybe that is a bit too much. So let me just go around, click, and this is what you have. So right now I'm using the normal mode right here. But if I were to go around and use multiply and click, then you can see that it actually has a see-through right here. So it applies the effect just like that. You can click on the red one over here as well. So this is how you can work with it. You can work around with the blending mode as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z and turn around the opacity right here, and you can see that now the opacity takes in effect as well, and there's a bunch of transparency level being applied to it, just like that. So that is what you can do right here with the paint bucket tool. And here you can see that right now it's the paint right here, but you can also go for pattern fill over here, just like this as well, by using the paint bucket as well. If I were to go around onto, let's say, a blank file right here, and then use the brush tool right here, just like this, and let me just go around and select out a normal brush, and then draw around over here, as you can see. So what you can do is you can take the paint bucket tool right here, click, and you can see that it fills up the inner area right here, just like this. So I'm pressing Ctrl Z again, and you can go around, choose other patterns, and fill it out with the pattern of your choice as well. You can change around the opacity, and there you go. Similarly, you can go for the regular paint bucket tool right here with the plain color. Click on it, and that will be applied, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can utilize the paint bucket tool to fill out an entire area with similar colors inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.